Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here today. Today I will talk about how I make new friends. This is the main topic for today. I will use simple words and short sentences. I will give tips and examples. I will give a long example of a conversation. You can practice with me. You can pause and repeat. This is a lesson to help you feel more confident when you meet new people. Making new friends can be fun. It can also feel hard at first. Many people feel nervous. That is okay. Small steps can help. I will show simple steps you can use every day. I will show phrases you can use. I will show questions you can ask. I will show how to listen and reply. I will also show how to make a plan to meet again. First, smile and say hello. A smile is a simple and strong step. It shows you are friendly. Say a small hello. Say your name. Ask a short question. For example, say hello, my name is Ben. What is your name? You can say this in a calm voice. This is the first step. Second, ask a simple question. People like to talk about simple things. Ask about school, work, a class, or the weather. For example, ask, do you like this class? Or ask, where do you work? Short questions are easy. They help the other person start to talk. Third, listen with your eyes and ears. Look at the person. Smile when it is right. Nod your head to show you understand. Do not just wait to speak. Listen for a moment. Then reply with a short sentence. For example, say, that is nice. I like that too. Or say, oh, that is interesting. Fourth, find a shared interest. Look for one small thing you both like. It can be music, sports, food, or a hobby. If you both like coffee, you can say, I like coffee. Would you like to get coffee sometime? If the other person says yes, you can make a plan. If the other person says no, that is okay. Try again with another person. Fifth, be kind and real. Do not try to be someone you are not. Be honest and polite. Say thank you when someone helps you. Say I like that when you mean it. Small acts of kindness build trust. Sixth, ask to meet again. If the chat goes well, ask for a plan. Ask for a simple time and place. For example, say, would you like to meet for coffee on Friday? Or ask, do you want to study together next week? Keep the plan small and clear. Seventh, follow up. After you meet, send a short message. Say, I had a good time today. Or say, it was nice to meet you. This helps the other person feel valued. It helps you build the new friendship. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen to the lines and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you heard. I will show one simple monologue conversation. I will play the part of Ben. I will show how to speak slowly and clearly. I will show short lines for both people. You can say both parts if you want to practice. Ben, hello, my name is Ben. I am new here. New friend, hello, Ben. My name is Maria. Welcome. Ben, thank you, Maria. Where are you from? New friend, I am from Mexico. I live near here. Ben, that is nice. Do you like this neighborhood? New friend, yes, I like it. There are many parks. Ben, I like parks too. Do you like to walk in the park? New friend, yes, I walk every morning. Ben, I walk on weekends. Maybe we can walk together. New friend, that would be nice. When do you walk? Ben, I walk on Saturday morning at 9. New friend, I can try that time on Saturday. Ben, great, I will see you on Saturday then. New friend, see you on Saturday. Bye for now. Ben, bye Maria, have a good day. To repeat, pause the video and say each line aloud. You can say the new friend line or the Ben line. You can say both. Practice the rhythm. Practice the pauses. Practice smiling when you speak. Now I will give the same lines more slowly. Repeat after me. Ben, hello, my name is Ben. New friend, hello, Ben. My name is Maria. Ben, thank you, Maria. Where are you from? New friend, I am from Mexico. Ben, that is nice. New friend, I like the parks here. Ben, I like parks too. New friend, I walk every morning. Ben, I walk on Saturday morning. New friend, I will try that time. Ben, see you on Saturday. New friend, see you on Saturday. To repeat, say each short sentence 2 times. First say it with a small smile. Then say it again with a natural voice. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence that you want. Try to say the words clearly. Try to slow down. This will help your English sound better. Now I will show more examples of small talk questions. These are easy to learn. Use one question at a time. Do not ask too many questions. Give the other person time to answer. Questions for small talk. Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like this place? What is your favorite food? Do you like music? What kind of movies do you like? Do you have any hobbies? Do you have pets? Try these questions when you meet new people. Use a friendly voice. Smile and look at the person. Wait for the answer. Then say one short comment. For example, if the person says, I like music, you can say me too. Who is your favorite singer? If the person says, I like soccer, you can say, I like soccer too. What team do you like? Now I will give an example of how to ask about interests. Repeat after me. Ben, do you like music? New friend, yes, I like music. Ben, what kind of music do you like? New friend, I like pop music. Ben, who is your favorite singer? New friend, my favorite singer is Bruno Mars. Ben, I like Bruno Mars too. You can pause the video and repeat each line. To repeat, say the question and the answer. Try to say the name of the singer clearly. This is good practice. Next, I will show how to invite someone to do something. Use a simple invitation. Keep the time and place clear. Use polite words. Repeat after me. Ben, would you like to get coffee sometime? New friend, yes, I would like that. Ben, how about Saturday at 10? New friend, Saturday at 10 is good. Ben, great, I will see you then. To repeat, practice the words would you like to get coffee sometime. Practice the time phrase. Practice the yes, I would like that phrase. Pause and repeat if you need more time. Now I will talk about how to be a good listener. When someone speaks, do not interrupt. Wait until the person finishes. Use small replies to show you listen. Use words like I see, that is interesting, really, tell me more. These short words help the other person feel heard. Listen and respond. Example. New friend, I work at a bakery. Ben, that is interesting. New friend, I bake bread every morning. Ben, really? What kind of bread do you make? New friend, I make sourdough and baguettes. Ben, I like sourdough. It smells so good. You can repeat these lines to practice the words that is interesting and really. These phrases are easy to use in many talks. Another tip is to use your phone to write a simple plan. After you make a plan, send a short message. Use short words in the message. For example, say, Hi Maria, it was nice to meet you today. See you on Saturday at 9. Thank you. This type of message is warm and clear. It shows you care without too many words. Now I will give an example of a short follow-up message. Repeat after me. Ben, hi Maria, it was nice to meet you today. Ben, see you on Saturday at 9. Ben, thank you. To repeat, send a message like that after you meet someone. It is polite. It helps your new friend feel welcome. Sometimes you will meet new people in a group. You can join a club or a class. In a group, listen first. Find one person who is friendly. Use simple words to start a talk. For example, at a club you can say, Hello, I am Ben. I like this class. How long have you been here? Group settings make it easy to meet more people at once. If you meet people online, start with a friendly message. Use clear words. Be polite. Do not share too much personal information at first. Ask about hobbies and interests. If the person is friendly, ask to talk on a video call. Then you can meet in person if you both want to. Now I will give a longer conversation. This will show many steps. You can use this as a template. I will speak slowly. Pause the video and repeat the lines that you like. You can practice both parts. Ben, hello, my name is Ben. I am new to this class. Student, hello Ben, I am David. Nice to meet you. Ben, nice to meet you, David. Do you like the class? Student, yes, I like it. The teacher is good. Ben, I agree. Which part do you find easy? Student, I like the listening exercises. Ben, I like them too. Do you study on the weekend? Student, yes, I study on Saturday morning. Ben, I study on Saturday morning as well. Do you want to study together this Saturday at 10? Student, that sounds good. I will bring notes. Ben, great, I will bring coffee. See you Saturday at 10. Student, see you Saturday, Ben. To repeat, practice the lines more than once. Say each line slowly. Try to use a friendly tone. This will help you feel more natural. Here are more friendly phrases to use. These are short and easy. Phrases to learn. How are you today? Nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you. Would you like to meet again? I had a good time. Thank you for your time. I am happy we talked. Practice these phrases with a friend. Say them out loud. Repeat each phrase 5 times. Try to use them in real life. Now I will give tips for body language. Body language helps when you meet new people. Stand or sit straight. Smile at the right moments. Use your hands a little when you speak. Do not cross your arms. Look at the person. These small things make a big difference. Tip for nervous people. Take a deep breath. Count to 3 in your head. Smile slowly. Say one short sentence to start. For example, say, "Hi, my name is Ben." This small step can calm your nerves. Now I will give one more full example. This will be a friendly meet and plan. Repeat after me and pause when you need. Ben, hi, I am Ben. Do you have a moment? New friend, hi Ben, I have a moment. What is up? Ben, I am looking for a place to study. Do you know a quiet cafe? New friend, yes, there is a small cafe on Main Street. Ben, that sounds good. Would you like to go after class? New friend, I would like to go. I need a place to study too. Ben, perfect. How about after class at 3? New friend, 3 is good for me. Ben, great, see you then. New friend, see you then. To repeat, try to say this example in pairs. You can practice with a partner or with me. Use the pause function to repeat each line. This is a good way to learn new phrases. Remember, making friends takes time. Do not feel bad if one person does not want to be a friend. Keep trying. Be patient and kind to yourself. Each small talk is practice. Each smile is practice. Each hello is a step forward. One last practice. I will say a simple script and then give time for you to repeat. Ready? I will speak, then pause. Ben, hello, my name is Ben. Pause to repeat. Ben, it is nice to meet you. Pause to repeat. Ben, where are you from? Pause to repeat. Ben, do you like coffee? Pause to repeat. Ben, would you like to meet for coffee on Saturday? Pause to repeat. Now you have many tools to make new friends. Smile, ask one question, listen well, find common interests, ask to meet again, and follow up with a short message. Practice the sentences I gave you. Repeat them out loud. Pause the video when you need time to practice. Repeat the phrases until they feel natural. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.